What if there were ways to make extra money without a huge time commitment? No, this isn't about Uber or food delivery services. Not that there's anything wrong with those options, but in today's video, we shall explore the low-effort side hustles that anyone can start in 2025. These side hustles are realistic, easy to start, and can bring in an extra $10,000 a year or more just by spending a few hours a week. Ready to learn about them? Let's dive in. 1. Background acting. Imagine being on a movie set without needing any acting experience, all while getting paid. Background acting is a fantastic way to earn money while enjoying the excitement of film production. Productions need background actors to create realistic scenes, and anyone can do it. In cities like Toronto, being a background actor pays between $140 to $300 per day. No need for prior acting experience. Just match the look they want and follow instructions. It's a fun side hustle that doesn't take up much time and allows for the experience of being around film production. Gigs are easy to find by simply searching background actor jobs in your area. So why not try it? While it may not always lead to a featured role, the opportunity to observe professionals at work and be a part of a project is an exciting perk. Additionally, you'll have a great story to tell, and you might even catch a glimpse of your favorite stars up close. 2. Voice acting. Is there a unique quality to the voice? If so, voice acting could be a great fit. Voice actors are in demand for commercial ads, audiobooks, animations, and more. This side hustle is accessible to anyone with a voice that stands out. Recording just a short commercial can earn anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 for just a few hours of work. No professional vocal training is required, just a great voice. Many agencies allow you to submit recordings from home, meaning this can be done in pajamas. Freelance platforms and Facebook are great places to find gigs for this hustle. Voice acting doesn't just stop at commercials. There's also work in video games, animation, and podcasts. With the growth of content creation, voice actors are becoming more sought after for various projects across different media. Whether you're doing it part-time or full-time, the potential to earn significant income is there. 3. Print-on-demand business. For those who like to create designs but don't want to deal with inventory, print-on-demand is an excellent choice. It's a low-investment business that can be run passively. Services like Printful let users design items like shirts, mugs, or hats, and then have them printed and shipped only when a customer orders. This type of business involves no upfront costs and no inventory. Simply design products, upload them to the platform, and start selling on websites like Etsy or Shopify. When an item sells, the print-on-demand service handles the rest. Profit comes from the difference between the sale price and the cost of the product. With print-on-demand, you can create unique designs and tap into niche markets that are passionate about specific topics. Plus, the ability to scale this business is virtually unlimited, as there's no need to worry about production or storage. The more designs you create, the more potential there is for sales. 4. Selling used stuff. Is there clutter around the house? Consider turning in used items into cash. Whether it's old gadgets, clothes, or books, selling these things online can be a lucrative side hustle. Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or other platforms are great for listing items. Just last year, an old camera was sold for $250, and it was 3 years old and missing a few parts. Imagine how much unused stuff is sitting around that could be turned into money. It's simple. Take pictures, write a clear description, and list it online. You might be surprised how much money can be made from decluttering. Not only does this side hustle give you extra cash, but it also helps with minimalism. As you go through your things and sell what you no longer use, you clear out space, which can be a nice bonus. Plus, the more time spent doing this, the better you get at spotting items with high resale value. 5. Dog walking or pet sitting. Love animals? Dog walking could be the perfect hustle. Pet owners need reliable people to walk their dogs or look after their pets while they're away. And it's a side hustle that's both fun and relaxing. Dog walkers can earn between $20 to $30 an hour, and depending on the number of dogs walked, that can add up quickly. Even if the goal is just an extra $1,000 per month, dog walking is an enjoyable, flexible way to earn money. Websites like Rover make it easy to find gigs or simply offer services in your neighborhood. This side hustle allows you to get outdoors, enjoy nature, and connect with furry friends. Plus, dog sitting during the holidays can be another great source of income. It's a side hustle that can scale as you build a reputation in your local pet community. 6. Tutoring. Turn expertise into extra cash through tutoring. Whether it's helping with math, languages, or even something as niche as grammar, tutoring can be a profitable side hustle. The flexibility of online platforms means tutoring can be done from home, making it super convenient. Tutors can earn anywhere from $15 to $35 per hour, depending on the subject. This side hustle can easily generate an additional $10,000 a year by dedicating just a couple of hours a week. Sites like Chegg or Tutor.com offer a great way to connect with students who need help. Tutoring not only provides income, but also strengthens your own understanding of the subject. It's a rewarding experience that allows you to help others while sharpening your skills. Plus, it's a great way to build a portfolio if you're looking to move into education or coaching full-time. 7. Referral marketing. Referral marketing is a side hustle anyone can do. If there's a product or service you genuinely love, why not get paid for sharing it? Many companies offer referral programs that reward you for referring friends or family. From credit card companies to mobile service providers, referral bonuses can range from $30 to $100 per successful referral. Just send a referral link to someone interested in the product, and if they sign up, you get paid. Over the course of a year, this simple hustle can provide a significant income with minimal effort. The best part is, you're promoting things you already use and trust. By simply sharing your referral links, you can easily make extra income without much extra work. Many companies even offer bonuses if you refer multiple people, so there's plenty of potential to earn more. 8. Investing in yourself. The most valuable asset for anyone is their own skills. Investing in yourself by learning new skills is one of the best long-term strategies for increasing income. Platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, or even YouTube offer affordable ways to learn new skills that can pay off in the future. By learning things like digital marketing, web design, or data analysis, a person can drastically increase their earning potential. This kind of investment can create high-paying job opportunities, side hustles, or even lead to entrepreneurial ventures. The more skills acquired, the more options there are for building wealth. The most successful people continually invest in themselves to stay ahead, whether it's learning new software, business strategies, or even personal development. Investing in your own growth ensures long-term financial stability. It's a side hustle that doesn't just make money, it makes you more valuable in the marketplace. So, which of these side hustles will be tried first? Remember, the key is to start small and stay consistent. Even the smallest side hustle can lead to big results over time. It's all about finding something that fits your lifestyle and interests. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more side hustle ideas. Building additional income streams is a great way to take control of your financial future, and these hustles make it easier than ever to get started.